ano na, yung visible, invisible. Yung underemployment kasi natin, kinakategorize natin into two muna, no? Yung visible underemployment at saka yung invisible underemployment. Yung invisible underemployment, ito yung talagang malaki yung binawas. Sila ito yung nagbawas sila ng mga 1.2 million. Yung invisible year-on-year, no? 1.2 million, and significant ito. Yung invisible underemployment, ito yung mga underemployed na nagtatrabaho ng more than 40 hours. No? Underemployed pa rin sila. So nabawasan sila ng substantial. Ang pinanggalingan nila ng mga sektor, yung mga matataas, ay una, wholesale and retail trade. May bawas tayo ito ng mga 276,000. So, Christmas kasi, December. So mataas yung activity natin, economic activity natin dito sa wholesale and retail trade. Pangalawa, yung manufacturing, may bawas tayo na 215,000. Public administration and defense, compulsory social security, may bawas ng 160,000. And administrative and support service activities, may bawas ng 143,000. So dito yung mga sektor kung saan medyo substantial yung pagbaba ng ating matatawag na underemployed. Thank you.